Hello, I am Teacher Pearl. For today's video, tuturuan ko po kayo on how to add integers. Example number 1, 10 plus 15. So kapag pareho silang positive, yung dalawang numbers, diretso lang po i-add. 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. Example number 2, negative 10 plus negative 15. 10 is negative, 15 is also negative. So kapag pareho yung dalawang numbers, negative, i-copy lang po ang negative sign, tsaka i-add ang dalawang numbers. Example number 1 is positive kasi nga yung dalawang numbers, pareho silang positive, then i-add equals to 25. Yung example number 2 naman, negative 25 na po ang magiging sagot kasi nga pareho silang negative. Next, example number 3. Negative 10 plus 15. Meaning to say, unlike sign po sila. Ano ibig sabihin ng unlike sign? Yung isang number, negative, yung isang number naman po, positive. So, magkaiba po sila. Kapag ganun po, magkaiba sila ng sign, subtract lang po natin. And then, titingnan natin yung dalawang numbers, 10 and 15. Between 10 and 15, yung pinakamataas na number kasi si number 15. Tsaka, yung sign ni number 15 is positive, kaya yung final answer, for example, number 3 is positive 5. Next, example number 4. Positive 10, 10 plus negative 15. Magkaiba na naman po ng sign. Kapag maika-encounter kayo class ng dalawang numbers, tapos magkaiba sila ng sign, ang isa negative, ang isa positive, you need to subtract those two numbers. Tapos, titingnan lang po sa dalawang numbers kung sino yung pinakamataas. Between 10 and 15, syempre, 15 yung pinakamataas. Then, ang sign ni number 15 is negative, kaya i-copy natin yung sign ni number 15. Kaya, ang final answer for example number 4 is negative 5. Okay, summarize ko po lahat ng mga examples. Example number 1, positive 25 po ang answer kasi nga yung dalawang numbers kasi positive. So, diretso lang po natin i-add. Yung example number 2 naman, yung dalawang numbers kasi negative. So, i-copy natin yung negative sign, tapos i-add natin yung dalawang numbers. Next, example number 3. Kapag magkaiba sila ng sign, i-subtract, tapos titingnan lang po yung pinaka-highest na number, then titingnan kung ano yung sign. So, since number 3, yung sign ni 15 is positive, that's why the final answer for example number 3 would be positive 5. Number 4, 10 plus negative 15. Since yung pinaka-highest number dito is 15, and then yung sign ni 15 is negative, kaya i-copy ang negative sign, tapos i-subtract yung dalawang numbers kasi nga magkaiba sila ng sign. Okay, for today's video, I hope you learned something on how to add integers. That's all for today.